How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor Virtue Series dash lights. Now we offer these units in our Virtue 1, Virtue 2, and Virtue 4 sizes here, and we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. And when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your cable harness here with included connector, and that is for our optional cig-plug, where you'll have your on-off and flash pattern changer here. Now again, I said these units are in multicolor in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, so let's go over a couple of those examples. So here I brought our Virtue 1 in green clear and our Virtue 2 in amber clear, and then here I brought our Virtue 4 in red blue, and then our tricolor upgrade here in red blue amber. Now in all of these units we offer amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor, and in our Virtue 1 we offer dual color, and in our Virtue 2 and 4 we offer dual and tricolor. Now built into the flash patterns of your unit, you have the ability to run color A or color B independently. For example, here on my red-blue unit, my red will be my color A, and on my red-blue tricolor, my red-blue will be my color A here. So then you'll see you have a few patterns on your color A, and then you'll cycle through those, and then you'll get to color B. And then again, you have a few patterns in your color B. For example, here, color B is blue on my red-blue unit and amber on my red-blue amber unit. So you can cycle through your color B patterns, and then you'll get back to your full multicolor patterns. So you have the ability to run multicolor, color A, or color B all on your unit. Now we do offer several mounting options for these units. So we have our 90-degree suction cup bracket, our 360-degree suction cup and L bracket, our adjustable and static headliner brackets, and then if you'd like to exterior mount your unit, we have our surface mount end caps, and we have the ability to weatherproof these units. And then finally, you'll see optional windshield visors for each size as well. So that covers our MultiColor Virtue Series dash lights. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos and also check out our interactive players right below the main product pictures. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.